Hello everyone, it's Varun here. In this video we are continuing our series for the Musil services, and in this episode we are going to talk about how to create a recurring service order. For this requirement you need a WooCommerce subscription plugin, and once the subscription plugin is enabled, we are going to create a subscription product first, and suppose that I'm going to try every month or $99 every month update. So we have created a subscription service first, service 4, and I'm going to enable as a service and virtual, and once the virtual is configured here, okay, so next option will be including my requirement detail, what are the questions what we are going to ask. So estimate timeline 30 days. Files, I'm keeping it as a non-required field. I'm just including one more as a drop down. Okay, option 1. Okay, so I have created the options here and included myself as a service provider and update. So this product is published now, and for this product I have used the WooCommerce subscription plugin and created this as a simple subscription. This is virtual. Let me make it as a everyday, so it will be much easier for me to place this order. So in this case this order is placed on everyday basis, and I can keep that as a 1 day and update. For any subscription based order, when we are going to utilize this functionality, we have to make sure the delay between these orders is minimum 1 hour. So I'm going to check this product from the front end, so it just looks like exactly the same how we are displaying our service product. In the sign up form, anyone have to go to proceed the sign up form. I'm going to switch back as a customer, switch to. So the process will be the same for this order also. So going for the service 4, sign up now, completing my checkout. Okay, I have all the details already filled there. It seems like I have to make sure the renewal payment can be set up there. So let me use a coupon code, switch back to the, because we are not using a real payment gateway, so we have to make sure we can keep the price $0 or something like that, or using some coupon code. It will be best to use the $0 for the pricing, so we can test it quickly. Quick sell edit. Same price every day, update. When you're using Stripe or the PayPal, then it will be easier for you using test payment gateway. I'm using a site where we are not integrated any payment gateway. We are using a test payment gateway. That's why I have to mark it as a 0. Now switching back again to the customer, switch to. So the order placement is the same process. We have to do the extra step only because due to the subscription renewal charges, it need authorization. So my order is placed, provide requirement, so you can submit the details. Detail 1, to attach a file. Option 2, submit detail. So once my details are submitted, the order is in the conversation phase now. First message. Okay. Now I'm switching back to the site admin. So what happened here, like Andres has placed their order, and order is available inside the WooCommerce section. If you go to the order section, so this order is in the processing from 58 seconds ago. So this is a subscription order, so the subscription order is also created here. So right now you can see that for this subscription we can include a manual timestamp, like next payment on this time. So first of all, I'm going to make a timing change for this order, just to okay. The next payment, the maximum I can set here, like 2, because it will not take any 1 minute timing cannot be included. At least we have to keep 1 hour minimum delay to process the order again. So this is going to be processed again. Okay, I have to select 1 hour 247. Okay, that's fine. So on 247, after 1 hour from now, this order will be processed again. So what is going to be happen here? I'm going to check my order from the front end. As a vendor, shop page, I have got the notification for this one. My account, service provider. So we have this order in the process, work in progress. This one is the old one, and now you can see that the order requirement is submitted. Conversation is in the continue. This is the first message. I can send a second message. This is not the important part. The important part is what happened when the renewal is done. Okay, so when the renewal is done, you will get notified on the same screen the renewal has been done. In that way, customer do not have to submit their requirement again and again, and they can have this same conversation page until the order is cancelled in future. So in that way, you can have a recurring service, like suppose that you are running a care plan for your website management system, and your customer has to pay $99 every month. So you have their website details on which you have to work regular basis, and if something new is coming, they can also send you a message what need to be done, and their recurring payment is in the process. And every time when a recurring order is placed, it will include a note here like renewal has been done, and that will create as a separator, and your message will continue on the same one, and order will never complete unless it is marked complete from the backend, or it is cancelled, or it is on hold due to some payment issues, like that. So this is the difference between a regular message screen where you have to submit a final delivery, and here there is no final delivery, just an open conversation between you and the customer, and you can continue talking to that particular customer unless the subscription is cancelled. So hopefully that makes sense. And after 1 hour, you can have like how we had configured in the backend. After 1 hour, there will be a renewal order. Then it will display the split screen with the notice like order has been renewed, and they can start continue their conversation in future. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. Hello, it's Varun here. In our previous video, we had talked about the subscription service with the Musil services. So, this order has been placed as a subscription service, and duration is passed now. Now you can see that we have new notice here, order renewed on 10th October. And that means this order has been processed as a renewal order, and you still have the same conversation page to continue to talk on that one. If we are going to check the order details, inside the order section we have order 9 hours ago and 8 hours ago. So this is the renewal order or the same order what we have placed as a first order. So if we are going to the subscription section, 19961. So we have two orders. One is the parent order and second is the renewal order. So on the conversation page, we have the same details. Going to the my account page, service provider. So in that way, the person is able to communicate on the same thread. Thanks for the renewal. Okay, and they will not lose any conversation if they are going to talk on the same conversation thread. This is how the subscription is going to work with the WooCommerce. In the next video, we are going to talk about how you can extend the functionality of Musil services using Dukaan and WC Vendor Pro, so your vendors can create the subscription product from the front end. Thank you.